everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? This series is called Brands You Should Know, and today's brand is one that you might actually already know, Ford Motor Company. If you own a car, you've probably seen their cars on the road before. But do you know about Ford's brand story? Stay tuned and I'll share the top reasons why you should buy a Ford, and I'll tell you about their commitment to helping people succeed. Founded way back in 1903, Mr. Henry Ford created one of the most iconic car companies in the world. From the Ford Model T to the F-150 pickup truck, Ford has been the leader in automotive industry for many, many years. Ford made it their business to focus on quality, performance, and innovation. And if you own a Ford, you know that this brand has become a symbol for dependability and reliability. Like many people, my entire family owns Fords. So let's take a look at why so many people think buying a Ford vehicle is a wise investment. Manufacturing high-quality vehicles is the cornerstone of Ford's brand story. They've been building quality vehicles for more than a century and are still one of the top leading car makers in the world. Ford vehicles are known for their longevity, quality craftsmanship, and overall reliability. So whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV, a work truck, a luxury sedan, Ford has the perfect option to fit your needs. So let's be real, guys. Cost is a major factor in buying a car, and it's not always just about the looks and the features. One of the main reasons people keep buying Fords is because of their competitive pricing. Ford understands that not everybody has deep pockets, so they set up their pricing to accommodate any budget. If Ford is to be known for one thing, it's pushing the boundaries. When it comes to innovative design and technology, Ford vehicles have always been on the forefront of automotive design, and their team just keeps designing the vehicles to be safer, more efficient, and more comfortable for you and your family. When you buy a Ford, rest assured you're getting the latest and the greatest that the industry has to offer. Since way back, Ford made a commitment to sustainability and producing eco-friendly options. Their vehicles come with features like the EcoBoost engine, which uses less fuel without sacrificing power, and the option to get a hybrid or a fully electric vehicle. Ford also has committed to using renewable energy sources in their factories and leveraging recycled materials in their vehicles. Ford is using their profits to make the world a better place. Go Ford, go Ford, go. You probably didn't know this, but Ford's commitment to the community extends far beyond the production of cars. Ford is a major contributor to the United Way, which they help provide food, shelter, and clothing to communities all across America. Ford has also given away $2.2 billion to support local charities, food pantries, and animal rescues. Ford also works with local organizations to provide job skills training and placement services. And just like me, Ford also supports initiatives that encourage entrepreneurship. Ford also has been running a program where they offer donated vehicles to nonprofits so they can help deliver supplies to those people affected by natural disasters or people who need transportation to and from their medical appointments, like some of the injured and ill veterans. The vehicles donation program has been a vital source of support for so many of our communities. On behalf of Ford owners and enthusiasts, we love you, Ford. Thanks for doing all that you do. Ford's success story is a great example of how a brand can make an impact on the world and remain a leader in the industry. So are you Team Ford? Share this post under the hashtag. I want to see how many Ford fans we got out there. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're currently driving a Ford and what your experience has been like. And by the way, I'm giving away my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you know somebody who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.